everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to bleach my brows. You know I have a, oh my god, sakit eh. Anyway, I have quite dark eyebrows, and this eyebrow color is kind of like making me look a bit matured, so I thought that maybe I should bleach my brows, and I put a bleach. It's a Jolen cream bleach, lighten dark hair, and it came with these four things. Hi, has this, so it has these four things, and you can use it for face, eyebrows, and body. So let's open this. And we have this accelerator, this one. I've never bleached my brows or even my hair before this, so I don't really know if this will work or not, but I've read a lot of reviews on YouTube, and most of them say that this thing works, so I bought this. It has this plastic mixer bowl, I guess, mixing bowl, and this spatula. They also come with this instruction, I guess. Yeah, so let's start. First, you have to clean your brows and pat dries, or you can just dry it with a towel or a tissue. And I'm going to open this one. I don't know how am I going to do this. Powder. So I have to take this powder first. Okay. So this is the powder. It's just a bit like, it smells really, I don't like this smell. Oh, by the way, I don't wear makeup, so you can see my flaws and stuff. And I will take this much, I guess, this much. Put it in a mixing bowl. I guess I will put more, a bit more, because I have quite. Okay. There you go. This cream bleach. This one. Oh. Take a bunch of this, like this. 1.5, I guess. This, and I'm going to mix this together. After I mix this, it becomes like this. Can you focus? Cannot focus, huh? Okay, I'm going to put it on my brows. We'll see if it works. Missing yung motorcycle. So I'll just put a bit on my brows. Like, oh my god, this is so weird. I've never done this before. Will this work? Will this work? I don't know. So you have to go in between your hairs as well, like this, because sometimes it won't get into your hair unless you do it like this. Oh my god, be careful not to get to your eyes. Be careful. Maybe I should put right here as well, because I have this facial hair or something. I'll just put it like that. Where's my phone? I should put here. So it says that you should put it on for like how many minutes? 5 to 10 minutes. So I will put a timer for like 10 minutes, I guess. I just put it 7 minutes. I'll just put it like 7 minutes. Starts now. Oh my god, I look so weird. You know what? I put 7 hours instead of 7 minutes. Oh my god, no wonder like I feel so long. What the freak? It's already 7 minutes lah. Aku tahu. So I'm going to check if this is the color that I like or not. But seems like it's not that light, I guess. Is it? It's still black. So I'm going to put it on again. Like this. Oh. Put this on again. So we'll wait a few more minutes because it's still dark. It's not that black. I need it to be like a brownish kind of color instead of black. I mean instead of black, yeah, right. Itulah ya. Selama daripada aku ya. Europe-nya parang lengko. Okay guys, so I'm going to check it again. Wow. 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 Okay, I'm going to take it off now. Wow. Oops. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. What heck? It works, guys. It works. Oh my god. Look at, wow. Oh my god. It works. Oh my god. Oh my god. I didn't waste my money. Oh yes, I didn't waste my money. So so this is how my brows looks like now. Oh my god, it is like a light brown color now, and wow, I kind of like this one. And if you want to clean the bleach, make sure that you clean it properly, because you don't want the bleach to get into your eyes when you wash it off. So you know, get a tissue, wipe it off properly before you wash it with the water. And also it really did makes my brows look so freaking light. Oh my god, now it's, if I let it a little bit longer it will be lighter, and I don't like it. I like this kind of color on my brows. Oh my god, it's not that black anymore. And oh my god, I really love my brows like this. And also I've put it on like my smile line, like I have mustache right here, mustache, so neat. I don't know how you guys call it, but I put it here as well, and it's gone as well. It's gone too. You can see that there's no more like macam misai itu. So neat. This thing, in conclusion, it works. And if you want to get this, I bought this at Shopee, and I will link it down here if you want to purchase for those Malaysian. Kalau korang nak beli ni, saya akan letakkan link dia kat bawah. And saya beli masa diorang tengah buat sale. So tak tahulah masa korang nak beli tu dia ada sale ke ataupun back to original price. But yeah, this thing works. And kalau korang macam sensitive, ada sensitive skin or something macam tu, korang buat test dulu. Lepas korang mix dia dalam ni kan, korang letak at the back of your hand ke, dekat sini ke, korang cuba dulu. Kalau dia irritates your skin, then saya nasihatkan korang jangan pakai, sebab it might makes you feel like tak selesa, sebab benda ni kan bleach, jadi tak berapa sesuai untuk orang yang ada sensitive skin, I guess. Kalau korang nak cuba juga, mana tahu it works or not. Sebab diorang ada yang aloe vera punya, sesuai untuk sensitive skin, tapi saya tak pernah cuba yang tu. Saya baru je cuba ni dalam video ni for the first time, so I don't know. But this stuff works, and I would totally recommend you guys if you want to lighten your brow colors instead of pakai brow cara, bagi dia nampak light sikit. Ataupun korang nak bersihkan edges sini, korang tak nak shave your brows ataupun trim, cabut bulu kening apa semua tu, korang boleh letak bleach dia dekat bawah ni, and it will helps you to have a really clean brows. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy my video, and if you have anything that you would like to ask about this, you can comment down here. Saya akan tolong untuk menjawab apa-apa soalan yang korang nak tahu tentang benda ni. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give us thumbs up, click benda tu, and also subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any new videos that I will upload. And yeah, thank you so much. Bye.